Hi everyone, welcome you all to this video and in today's class. In this video, you all are going to see all the sums of chapter 1 rational number, and this is from class 8th standard and the book is S. Chand, right? So, in today's class, we are going to see each and every question from the exercises which are given in this chapter number 1. So let's start the video, and first we will understand chapter 1 and then exercise 1A, 2, 3, 1A, 1B, 1B, like that. So this notebook is of one of my student. So I hope that rational number topic is clear. If it is not clear, the explanation video is already available in my channel. You can watch that video. If you have not understood the rational number, what is rational number and its properties and all, you can watch that video. You can go through the video. Fill in the blanks. 7 upon minus 8 expressed as a rational number with denominator 24. The answer is minus 21 by 24. And a few explanation I will give, and it is not possible to explain all the answers, because it will take long time. If you have any specific doubt in any thing, then you can write it that in a comment. I'll make separate video on your topic. So इसमें हम लोगों को न्यूमरेटर कितना न्यूमरेटर है ना, डिनोमिनेटर 24 लाना है. सो डिनोमिनेटर 24, तो यहाँ पर हमें किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ताकि ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो 24 आ जाए. सो चिल्ड्रेन, वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय -3 बिकॉज वी नो दैट कि -8 इंटू -3 इज व्हाट, इट इज 24, राइट. तो यहाँ पर भी हमें -3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड 7 इंटू -3 इज -21, and in this way its answer is -21 upon 24. I hope this is clear. Now -4 upon 7 and 4 upon -11, और इसका करना था comparison that whether this is less than or greater than or equal to. So this will be less, and here the whole process and working is shown here. How we can convert them into the like fraction, you can say. That means with the same denominator, and here the LCM of this 7 and 11 is what, 77. So we have made the denominator 77 and 77, and since -44 is less than -28, so its answer will be less than, right. Now the absolute value of -16 by 19 will be 16 upon 19, right, because the absolute value of -16 by -19, so already this is positive only, क्योंकि minus and minus will cancel from both the side, numerator and denominator. So ultimately its answer will be 16 upon 19. The rational number whose absolute value is 11 by 13 is either -11 by 13, क्योंकि इसका भी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू अगर आप निकालोगे तो 11 by 13 आएगा, और इसका भी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू अगर आप निकालोगे तो 11 by 13 आएगा. एक्चुअली दिस देयर विल बी -11 upon -13, ठीक है ना. जो इसमें गलत है या कुछ भी इसमें अगर नहीं है तो आई विल टेल यू. 11 upon -13, एक्चुअली ये नंबर और ये नंबर सेम ही है, तो 11 upon -13 भी एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 11 by 13 हो रहा है, एंड 11 by 13 भी जो है वो इसका एक आंसर होगा, राइट. तो इस तरह से देयर आर 4 नंबर्स हुज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज 11 upon 13. द रैशनल नंबर विच इज नीदर पॉजिटिव एंड नॉर नेगेटिव इज व्हाट, दिस इज 0. Now answer true or false. That means few statements are given here, and you have to say that whether this statement is true or it is false. So let's read the statement and then we will decide that whether it is true or false. Every rational number is a whole number. So children, this is false. Every rational number cannot be a whole number. For example, 1 upon 2 is a rational number. It's not a whole number. 0 is the smallest. Just wait a minute. मैं इसका thickness जो है वो थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर देता हूँ, राइट. जीरो इज द स्मॉलेस्ट रैशनल नंबर. जीरो इज नॉट द स्मॉलेस्ट रैशनल नंबर बिकॉज इसमें जो है वो नेगेटिव भी होते हैं, -1/2, -3/4 विच आर स्मॉलर देन जीरो. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. एवरी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर इज अ रैशनल नंबर. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, राइट. एवरी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर इज अ रैशनल नंबर, क्योंकि रैशनल नंबर में फ्रैक्शन में हम लोग जीरो के राइट साइड में जाते हैं एंड रैशनल नंबर में जीरो के राइट एज वेल एज लेफ्ट में भी जाते हैं. पॉजिटिव भी आता है, नेगेटिव भी आता है. तो एवरी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर इज अ रैशनल नंबर. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. 4/0 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज इन रैशनल नंबर डेफिनेशन वी ऑल हैव सीन दैट कि अ नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p/q, और यहाँ पर जो है वो q जो है वो दिस विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू जीरो. दिस इज गिवन इन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर, बट हियर व्हाट वी आर सीइंग q एज जीरो. द डिनोमिनेटर कैन नॉट बी जीरो. सो 4/0 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. Now this is the absolute value of x is equal to -x if x is less than 0. So this statement is true. If x is less than 0, then this statement will become true, because suppose you take any value of x like -2, तो -2 का अगर आप निकालोगे, इसका LHS है तो ये 2 होगा, और ये जो RHS है -x, अगर आप यहाँ पर -x के प्लेस पर -2 आप रख दोगे तो ये भी जो है वो +2 बन जाएगा. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. थिकनेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो गया, इट्स नॉट बैलेंसिंग. तो चलिए इसका थिकनेस ठीक है, इतना ही रहने देते हैं. नाउ राइट 4 रैशनल नंबर इक्विवेलेंट टू द what of the following rational number, equivalent to the following rational number. So write 4 rational numbers, है ना. तो इस rational number के इक्विवेलेंट में वी नीड टू राइट 4 रैशनल नंबर जो इसके इक्विवेलेंट में हो. सो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. दिस यू ऑल हैव डन इन अ फ्रैक्शनल चैप्टर ऑल्सो. तो ऑब्वियसली वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई हियर 2/5 by 1/1, because if we multiply 2/5 by 1/1, the same number we are going to get. So we'll start from 2/2. तो 2/5 को 2/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर 2/5 को 3/3 से करना है, 2/5 को 4/4 से, एंड सो ऑन. तो ये हो गया 2 2s are 4/10, 6/15, 8/20, 10/25. So these are the 4 rational number which are equivalent to 2/5. तो in same way number 2 you can do, you can see the answer. Number 3 8/-11 को भी 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वी विल गेट द आंसर. -12/13 को भी दिस पोर्शन इज नॉट विजिबल, सो इट्स नॉट द प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ पर यू कैन डू दिस बाय योर ओन. -12/13 को जो है वो यहाँ पर 2/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देन -12/13 को 3/3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देन -12/13 को 4/4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड -12/13 को 5/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड यू राइट द प्रोडक्ट लाइक दिस विल बी -24/26. then -12 into 3 will be -36/39. -48/13 into 4 will be 52. and -12 5 60/13 into 5 is 65. So these are the answers which are equivalent to -12/13. Now question number 4 exercise 1A में ही हम लोग अभी तक हैं. which of symbol less equal greater should replace here. तो यहाँ पर भी जो है we need to convert them in such a rational number whose denominator will be equivalent to the denominator equivalent to the LCM of this two number, यानी जो भी denominator में है. So what is the LCM of 7 and 9? The LCM of 7 and 9 we all know it's 63. तो 63 हमें बनाना है, तो इसके लिए 8/7 को 9/9 से मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पर जो है वो किया गया है टू जस्ट मेक द डिनोमिनेटर 63, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट कि 7 × 9 इज 63. तो दिस हैज़ कम 72/63 एंड 12/9 को 7/7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है, तो 12 7 जा व्हाट 84/9 7 जा 63. सो यहाँ पर इस नंबर को कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया है इन सच अ रैशनल नंबर विच आर हैविंग द सेम डिनोमिनेटर, कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर. फ्रैक्शन में हम लोगों ने इसे लाइक फ्रैक्शन के जैसा पढ़ा था. तो 63 और 63 आर मैचिंग. सो नाउ वी विल कंपेयर ओनली द न्यूमरेटर एंड वी ऑल नो कि 72 इज लेस दैन 84, सो देयर विल बी लेस दैन साइन एंड दिस इज द answer. Now in the same way we are able to do the remaining question also, like here is -2/3 and 4/-7. So few things which I want to tell you that ki if you see the minus sign with the denominator, so first you need to remove it. तो अगर आप इसे डायरेक्ट भी रिमूव कर सकते हो और आप इसे चाहो तो -1/-1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी रिमूव कर सकते हो, बट नो नीड टू शो दिस थिंग. ये हम लोग बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ है, बहुत जब सीखते हैं तब इसको करते हैं. सो डायरेक्टली इफ़ यू सी द माइनस साइन विथ द डिनोमिनेटर and only one minus sign is given with the denominator, there is no minus sign with the numerator, then just you can take this minus sign of the denominator in the numerator. Directly you can take, there is no any problem. And if you see that numerator as well as denominator both contains minus sign, तो simply you remove them because minus and minus will be plus. तो यहाँ पर -2/3 into 7/7 and -4, this is -4/7 और इसको जो है वो 3/3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है. नाउ इफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग इन योर माइंड कि व्हाई वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड हियर 7/7 से एंड 3/3, सो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. हियर द एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 7 विल बी 21, सो वी नीड टू मेक बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर 21 एंड वी एज वी नो दैट कि 3 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दिस विल बी 21 एंड 7 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 21. तो इस तरह से -14/21 आ गया यहाँ पर एंड दिस इज -12/21 आ गया. एंड इफ वी कंपेयर बोथ, सो वी नो दैट कि -14 जो है वो दिस इज लेस देन -12, सो देयर विल बी लेस देन सिंबल एंड आंसर में लेस देन का सिंबल होगा. सो आई होप दैट दिस इज क्लियर. यू कैन सी द आंसर. Right, and let me clarify this thing. This notebook is of one of my students, so if you find any mistakes then it's not the problem. You can write that in a comment and you can do the rectification, you can do the correction by your own. Right, 13/-15 था and -143 -150 आ गया and we know that -143 is greater than -150, so there will be greater than symbol. Right, so 0, in this we don't require any process because -3/-8 is what, it's ultimately 3/8. as I have told you, if you see minus sign in both numerator as well as denominator, you can remove them, so the number has become positive, and we know that 0 is less than all the positive numbers. So 0 is less than all the positive number, so there will be less than symbol, so there will be no any working. Write the absolute value of 5/8. तो absolute value में we write the what positive things only. If the number is already positive then the answer will remain same, but if the number is negative then also its answer will be positive. 0 का तो 0 ही होगा, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 11/-12, so its answer will be 11/12. Right, so exercise 1A is finished over here. Now we will understand exercise 1B. So let's see how many exercises we are able to do in this part. Otherwise remaining exercise we can do in the later video. Later on I'll make one more video of this chapter where I'll explain you all this. So let's more 5 to 10 minutes I can make the video. Okay, continue the class. So 1B, I think it will be over. Answer true or false. Subtraction is commutative for rational number. So before this, let me explain few properties here, like closure property. So closure property, you all know that key the sum of two rational number is a rational number, the difference of two rational number is a rational number, the product of two rational number is a rational number. So we say them closure property. So we can say that addition is closure, subtraction is closure, multiplication is closure. But if you divide two numbers, it is not necessary that the number will be a rational number because of this 0. Like 2 divided by 0 is not a rational number, no, so division is not closure. Now commutative. So commutative property may a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is the commutative property of addition. In this, if we change the order of these two, the answer will not change. So addition is commutative. Similarly, in multiplication case may also we can change the order, but this is not possible in a case of subtraction. Why? Because a minus b is not same as b minus a, and similarly a division a divided by b is not same as b divided by a. How? तो इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल कि 2 माइनस 3 अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँ 2 माइनस 3 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 2 बिकॉज 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So these two are not same. So like what? Subtraction is not commutative. Again, multiplication is commutative in that we can change the order, but division is again not commutative. Next is associative. What is associative? In associative, there will be three number like a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now what is the thing that in associative, if you add these two number first and then if you add the result with the third number, and in this case if you add the last two number and with the result if you add the first number, there will be no change in the answer. So we can say that addition is associative but subtraction is again not associative. Multiplication may we can do like this, but division again we cannot do like this. So what is the conclusion here? That addition is associative, subtraction is not associative, multiplication is associative, but division is again not associative. So three property I have discussed here. Now the last property is distributive property of addition over multiplication, or distributive property of multiplication over addition. So the property is like this, property is like this, like कि a into b plus c अगर है, so this will be a multiply by b plus a multiply by c, right? This is called distributive property of multiplication because multiplication is here over addition. और अगर इसी को मैं माइनस से चेंज कर दूं तो यहाँ माइनस हो जाएगा, and this will be known as distributive property of multiplication over subtraction अगर यहाँ पर माइनस साइन रहे तो. So four properties I have discussed you. Now we will do exercise 1b. Subtraction is commutative for rational number. This is false as I have told you. Let me change the color, right? The subtraction, to subtract c by d from a by b, a upon b, we add the additive inverse of a upon b to c by d. So children, this statement is false. Now if you want to know the reason, so to subtract c by d, so we are subtracting c by d from a by b. So how we will write here? A upon b minus c upon d. So whose additive inverse we are adding? C by d ka additive inverse we are adding to this a by b. But what is given here? We add the additive inverse of a by b. So this is incorrect. We are adding additive inverse of c by d, not a by b, right? False. 0 is its own additive inverse. 0 is its own additive inverse. So, 0 is the neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. So, it's okay. The additive inverse of this is minus 21 by 30. So, this is correct because there are two minus sign. That means the number is what? This is positive number. So, its additive inverse will be negative number. So, this is true. or like this also you can understand. If you put minus sign here and then you put the whole number what is given in the question here in the bracket, so if you open this bracket then this minus and this minus will be plus 21 upon 30, right? तो ये हो गया. While subtracting 3 or more rational number, they can be grouped in any order while subtracting. So children, as I have told you that subtraction is not associative, so we cannot do like this. Addition or multiplication के case में we can do, but we cannot do this in subtraction and division case. Now add the following rational number. So these two are the like number you can say because their denominator is same. तो simply you simplify its numerator 3 plus 2 5/7 और यहाँ पर भी ये दोनों सेम है तो -11 plus 9 यानी कि -2 upon 13 हो गया, right? But what we will do if the denominators are not same? So it's very simple, we need to make them equal. The LCM of 6 and 10 is what? 30. So 6 5s are 30, so -1 into 5 is -5 and 10 3s are 30, so 3 into 3 is 9. So -5 plus 9 is 4 upon 30 and 2 upon 15. This is correct answer. And similarly have a look here. So number 4 is done like this, -29/36 is the answer. So just have a look here. In the same way, if the denominators are not same, then take the LCM of these two, and as we have added two unlike fraction, in the same way you can simplify this rational number. What is the change here? The change is that only कि in fraction you have dealt with only the positive, here you are dealing positive as well as negative both the numbers. So I don't think that there will be any problem in understanding. So like this you can do each and every sums of this number, which is number 2 of exercise 1b. And I think that today we will not be able to do more sums because the video is already made very it's very lengthy and there will be a problem in uploading and all. So in today's class we will discuss up to this only. In next class we will do after question number 2, that means we'll start from number 3 of the same exercise 1b. But before we end the class, let me explain few more sums of the same number. Like यहाँ पर the numbers are given in mixed form, as you can see, not say. So 3 whole 3 upon 4. So 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 3. So now the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, as 4 into 3 is 12, so 15 into 3 is 45, 3 into 13 is 12, so 3 into 4 is 12 not 13, so 13 into 4 is 52. So इस तरह से इसका आंसर आ गया ये, right? And in the same way you can do like this. Here both are negative, -3 by -14, so we can remove the minus sign as I have told you, 3 upon 14. Now question number 3. So till here we have done. Today's date is the day of recording is 12th August 12/08/2023, and in the next class we will do from number 3, okay, from the same PDF. And I hope that there should not be any dot, but still if you have any dot, let me know by writing your dot in a comment box, and definitely I'll get back to you. I'll try to clarify your dot. So that's all for today's class. Thank you everyone for watching this video.